Alright everyone, welcome back to another episode of Backlash Angling. We are doing our first of the 2022 year, first ice camp session. We are out on Lake Bellwood and we got about, I'd say like 9 to 10 inches of good clean ice. The ice is just hopping around us, as you probably just heard, but we're not too worried. If it was a few inches less, it would be a little bit more of a concern, but yeah, it's a beauty couple days out here. It looks like we don't have much wind and it's cold as heck, but we've expected that now. The last couple times we've been here, it's been cold as hell, so we're looking forward to it. We're hoping to get that quick little evening bite for the walleye, and then tomorrow obviously we're hoping to get more walleye, pike, perch. We can really expect anything here, so yeah, we're just jigging some. I got a jigging spoon on right now, little FrostBite dinner bell. He's got a glow bug, and then we're soaking a little live minnow down below. So hopefully we can get some something to put in the pan, start off the trip.
There was at least 2 marks there. School perch, maybe?
Wow. There we go.
On?
Yeah.
Perch?
I don't know.
Come on, baby. Be a wally. Be a wally.
Let's go. Baby wally.
Unreal. Unreal.
Let's go. Well, that gives us some clarification of what we're going after right there. That is minuscule. Very small. I don't even know if I'll be able to give you the old full shell. Boom! Let's go. Get him back in the light. So that's probably, I don't know, 12-inch walleye. But that is definitely what we're marking out there. And that is unreal. What, are we keeping her or no?
I'd get a nice little fillet off her.
Yeah, that'll be alright. We are eating tomorrow, and we don't really know how much food there is that we're going to catch, so any walleye we can take, we're going to take. Starting a mark class.
I know, I'm worried about.
I think the morning bite's hotter.
Could have been a 3, could have been easily a 3 walleye.
There is something on, no, there's something on the bottom.
We would have been pretty fired up.
Oh yeah, I got something chasing me.
Oh, yeah, I can see it coming up.
There we go.
Nice!
Number 2.
Nice!
Joins me. Adjust on the camera. That's definitely a bit bigger than the last one.
Want me to get the deucer out? Oh yeah, it's big. That's nice. Well, that's nice here.
There we go!
Beauty.
I was like, that thing came in
Literally
hot.
just said,
Bite's starting to die.
not getting as many bites.
Bite's starting to die down, and we crank this a bad boy. Just on the smaller dinner bell spoon. Little pink and silver. I'm not too sure what the name is, but
to a buckshot.
yeah, the spoon bite is definitely better. At least you can grip that one.
That's
Look
not
at that.
bad. Here,
That is another nice one.
Get a measurement on her.
Let's take a look. I'm gonna guess right around 13. Not even. 12. 12 incher.
12.
Beautiful. We're eating good tomorrow. I am pumped.
Sweet.
Gorgeous
We're in the right
fish.
spot. We're in the right spot.
Okay, so we are now settled in. We've upgraded our camping lifestyle now that we have two tents. We have our home base setup, which got our cots, and then we have a couple holes for the nighttime. We're gonna end up setting up a Celsius and then an iFish Pro just in case a walleye strolls throughout the night. But we're living the good life right now. It's, I think, minus 20, 25 right now. It feels like minus 32 or something. It's cold, and that's Celsius, so anybody in Americans watching, it's freaking cold out. And the one thing we've noticed, we have a single buddy heater, which is great during the day, or it's great during just like times where it's like minus, I'd say, 0 degrees Celsius to minus 10, like something like that. But as soon as it starts to get anything colder than that, the cold starts out competing it. And just for a little hut like this, little 4-man hut, it just doesn't compete it. So we got the old sunflower heater pumping. It's got this place nice and toasty. Definitely a little colder down low, but up here, perfect. And yeah, we're hoping we get one more walleye bite before we hit the sheets tonight. But I don't know. That's pretty much our day. This is the second time fishing Bellwood, and yes, last time we were here we couldn't get on a single walleye. So to put 2 walleye on the ice in the first like hour or 2 is definitely, yeah, and lost a couple as well. So we're looking forward to that morning bite for sure, and hopefully we keep capitalizing. So stay with it. Hopefully we get one before the end of the night, but if not, we'll see you in the morning. Yep. No way. No way.
Oh, digging.
You're kidding me.
Digging,
We were not expecting this.
Close.
Just before bed.
Oh, what do we got? What do we got? Oh, it's big.
That's a nice walleye.
Big.
Dude, that's a nice eye.
Oh my god.
That's a nice eye.
Oh my god.
Dude, that's a nice eye.
Oh my
You're
god.
joking me.
Choked it.
That's all right. He's
Got
gonna
it.
get eaten
Already
anyways.
Out. Already out. Are you serious?
It's on you, dude.
Look at that walleye. Oh my god.
No way.
Already. Literally midnight. We've got nothing all night long. And we got the iFish Pro set up. Just saw it like just kind of ticking. And this big girl hits it. I don't know what it is. It's got to be over 20, I would think.
I think it's like 22.
For sure. And good fight. Got her up to the hole, grabbed her. But for this system, like, that's a big fish. So we're thinking, let's let her go. We're definitely going to get more in the morning. And let's let this big girl go. So, here she is. She's definitely got some kick. And we'll let her go here. There she goes.
Good night, Jim Kite.
Unreal.
That is unreal.
That's sweet.
All right.
We were about to go to bed. Like, what can you do?
We saw it just as we were about to
So
head to
cool.
bed. All right. Good night now.
Come on, baby. Riggins, give us the help. Yes. There we go. On. Yep. Nice.
Haha, Riggsy!
There we go.
Riggsy, we're about to see a fish die.
No way. Look at that. There we go.
Nice
little
little
dinky eye.
Hey, Riggs, well done! You the fish whisperer. Hey, you crazy
The fish whisperer Riggs
Yeah,
does
yeah.
it. Hey, did you see the little kids play pool? Walk it out. Yeah, did you see that yesterday? Kids play pool? Yeah, that big blue thing. You're such a mean. No, I didn't. Oh, over there? Yeah, right before it went to ice. Like, that definitely got flown out in a windstorm. There we go. Fish on, baby! On the tantrum! Watch it on the ice, because this thing's going to be tough on the ice. Oh yeah, nice little eye. There we go.
Right.
On the tantrum. Woo!
Got another one? Yeah.
Woo, woo, woo. On the tantrum, my first ever tantrum fish. Unreal. What's that, Riggs? You got another one?
Ready?
Out it goes. Oh yeah, there he is. Come on. You're hot and horny. You're hot and heavy, baby. There it is. Fish on!
Yes,
Woo-hoo!
There we go. Yes, Riggs.
Dinner bell. Striking again. Good one, or? We got a Walleye, baby!
Alright,
You're gonna
holy
leave
f***, here's a live one. I mean, that's on camera. Holy poop, we got a live one. Give it to me.
Look at how intrigued.
Look at him. What? No, don't.
What's up, buddy?
No,
Let's
gonna
go.
say
Leave
that
that in
big-
the.
Oh.
We got some gold.
I'm gonna swallow that.
Lake Bellwood gold. All right. Good morning, everyone. It is officially 8:30. We're kind of just exiting our feeding window. That morning bite, and it's been solid. We've got 3 more eyes all around that kind of 11-inch range. Nice eaters. But good eaters. Perfect eaters. Well, Riggins had a time with one, so we'll see what kind of fillet we can get off it. Looks like still got a good chunk off of it, but yeah, I've lost one too, so we've had 4 bites. And yeah, it seems like that morning and night bite is really where it's going to hone in. We're really hoping that the pike start rolling around midday, or even a little school of perch.
Couple jumbies.
But heck, being able to drive an hour and a half to a spot in southern Ontario to catch walleyes jigging, you can't complain about that. Got the coffee rolling. Good start to the day.
one.
check the Celsius. It was frozen, completely solid. There it is.
This thing's definitely gonna be eaten tonight. It's gonna have that treble
Oh, I
hook
got the
show.
other line on it.
That's alright.
That's a nice walleye.
That's a good eye.
Good roll. Beauty.
That is a good eye.
Unreal. We got a mess to deal with here. And did he choke it? It's not that bad actually. But yeah, solid.
7th walleye.
Unreal.
There it is. Zach. There. Oh. He's gonna go. Got him. You missed him. How did you miss him there?
I don't know.
You suck.
How?
You suck.
Was it not in its mouth?
You suck.
Was it not in its mouth?
You suck so bad.
How?
You are a fisherman.
How did I miss that?
Clearly likes your spoon better than my tantrum. There he is. He's come back. Get ready. He's gonna go. Alright, you gotta give him. He likes the action. He's gonna go. He's sizing it up. Here he comes. Here he comes. He's got it. He's got it.
Got
That
him
was
last
the
time.
slowest hook
No,
set.
I wanted to make sure he had it. I wanted to make sure he had
Oh,
it.
he had it. He had it all right. There he goes. I got out of the water anyways.
There we go.
That was so cool. That's awesome.
Shut up.
Little baby pike.
Little
Dink.
dinky. That's
A little dink.
smallest one we've got at Bellwood for sure. But an awesome underwater eat.
Yeah, hopefully we got that on the camera.
And an awful hook set, but we'll take it. This guy is not going to take much here. Ooh. There she goes.
There you go.
Hey,
Pike!
multi-species. Now we need a poich.
So it is about 11:30. We are kind of hitting a period which we kind of knew would be a little bit slower. We made sure to position ourselves in an area that we figured there would be more walleye conjugating during the day, or during the morning and during the night. And we figured, hey, if we pick up a pike, we get a pike, which is sweet. So we got the one pike. I'm sure we'll probably have a couple more roll through, but we figured we'll switch things up. I had the tantrum on. I caught a tantrum in the walleye on the tantrum this morning, and then I went to a big one because I was trying to use it as an attractor. I think it's really important when you're fishing, at least with two people, have something more subtle like a spoon or a buckshot or even like a live minnow. Zach's rocking the dinner bell right now. I had, like I said, the tantrum, but now I'm going to switch it up. Try to get the FrostBite fishing trifecta. Catch one on the Dragon Slayer. We got one on the dinner bell. We got one on the tantrum. We got one on the Dragon Slayer now. So I'm going to hook that up. Nice pink color. I'm assuming that a pike will come and munch that. It'd be pretty cool to get the trifecta. So hopefully we can put something together later this afternoon, and then that walleye bite I'm pretty confident will be pretty hot again tonight. So the old man's coming out too, so the three of us hopefully can keep slaying them. Been pretty good so far. Been pretty good.
Chase, when you come next time, want to bring me a jig? Fish on! Very small. Caught in the deucer. Nice eye, nice eye. I need help, I need help. Quick. Oh, nice eye. I need help in the deucer.
Are you wrapped?
Yeah, quick, quick, quick. There he is. Grab him. Nice.
There we go. Popped out.
It popped out.
It popped out.
Oh my god. Looks bigger under the water, but we'll take it.
Another
Oh,
one.
that one?
It's not bad
On
at all.
the old dinner bell.
Freaking dinner bell. Killing it.
Dinner bell's been
The
the
pink
hook
and-
right onto it.
Oh yeah.
Anyways,
Yeah.
on the dinner bell with a minnow.
Killing
That's
it.
the ticket.
That has been the freaking ticket. How's the night bite tonight?
Pretty slow.
What are we at, 1?
I went 1 for 3.
1 for 3. We didn't even have a bite. But now we're cooking up some walleye and crappie wraps. Like dynamite.
That's the plan.
Caught a couple crappies the other day. We'll throw some content right about now. There we go. There we go.
Oh, nice crappie. Look at that bad boy.
That's a good fish.
Beauty. That's my first crappie through the ice.
There we go. I'm on. There we go. Good. There we go. There we go. Nice another crappie. Great table fare. Oh, let's keep it rolling.
Chase me. Chase me. There you go. Chase me. There we go. Another nice one.
There we go. Yeah. There we are. Nice crappie.
That might be the biggest one of the day.
Nice little upbeat on that one. On the glow bug. Well, yeah, we're using those fillets. We're using a couple of the walleyes that we had from last night, and we got a little bit of hash, some cheese, some seasoning. Should be dynamite. Looking forward to it. Potato hash, crappie and walleye with some Pringles on top. You gotta keep it simple on the ice. Looks good. Enjoy.
There we go.
Fish on. As if.
You just eat it right off the bottom.
Literally in there for how long?
I told you I was gonna give you a power play.
It's funny.
There we go. Beauty. Another
Yeah.
one on the dinner bell. I've been giving Zach a power play this morning. Figured I'd give him an extra hour and a half to catch one. Hey, what can you do when you live in a show? It's a good eye though. Probably one of our better ones this weekend, for sure. 13 inches.
You should keep her.
Dad catches the fish.
Twice as
There you go. I was like, that's on.
Grab that booster quick. Where's your booster? Oh, right at the end. Yeah.
There we are.
I'd lost a couple walleye this weekend. Short hitting it. Threw the old stinger on there. And that's what sealed the deal. So yeah, second one of the morning. And we thought the bite was shutting down, but apparently we still might have some. So let's see if we can get a couple more.
So that's gonna wrap things up for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, another awesome time out on the ice. We are slowly getting into ice camping, and it's definitely a hoot. It's a cheap way to do it instead of always having to go get those ice rental huts out on Simcoe or out in Lake Nipissing and stuff like that. So it's a cheaper option for us to do it, and we get to go out on lakes that we sometimes don't ever fish. And it was awesome this time to actually get on the target species, which was walleye, and be able to do that right around the 2-hour mark from where we live is pretty spectacular. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do want us to do like a run through of how we set up our stuff for ice camping, let us know in the comments below and we can do a little separate video. But thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.